And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, but they don't drink, you know. They keep, like, get on drink. There are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. When you have a drunken, when you have alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, and you're incredibly tipsy. So, like, I know, like, some people have just been, like, the first time they drink alcohol, and they're just drunk around their family, nobody's down in college. So, yeah.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
The invention of the steam engine by James Watt in the 18th century was pivotal in the Industrial Revolution. It powered factories, trains, and ships, transforming industries and transportation. The steam engine's impact on manufacturing and commerce marked a significant shift from manual labor to mechanized production.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, but they don't drink, you know. They keep, like, get on drink. There are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. When you have a drunken,
The phenomenon of photosynthesis allows plants to convert sunlight into chemical energy. Using chlorophyll, plants absorb light and transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This process is fundamental to life on Earth, providing the primary energy source for nearly all ecosystems and producing the oxygen we breathe.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, but they don't drink, you know. They keep, like, get on drink. There are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. When you have a drunken, when you have alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, and you're incredibly tipsy. So, like, I know, like, some people have just been, like, the first time they drink alcohol, and they're just drunk around their family, nobody's down in college. So, yeah.
The history of ancient Egypt is marked by its impressive monuments, such as the pyramids and the Sphinx. Ancient Egyptians developed a sophisticated civilization with advances in writing, mathematics, and medicine. Their religious beliefs and practices, including mummification, reflected a deep connection with the afterlife and deities.
And then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and it's alcohol, alcohol. So when you have a drunken alcohol or it could be that you take your beer and you're incredibly so like I know like some people have just been like the first time they're going and they're just drunk around their town, no but down and talking. So yeah.
I'm not sold. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parents. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, they drink, like,
The concept of blockchain technology underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers, ensuring transparency and security. This technology has potential applications beyond cryptocurrencies, including supply chain management, voting systems, and secure data sharing.
I'm not sold. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parents. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, they drink, like, there are like many cases where people have family members that they actually don't drink, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and it's alcohol, alcohol. So when you have a drunken alcohol or it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly so like I know like some people have just been like the first time they're going and they're just
The practice of sustainable agriculture focuses on producing food in environmentally friendly ways. Techniques like crop rotation, organic farming, and agroforestry help maintain soil health, reduce chemical use, and increase biodiversity. Sustainable agriculture aims to meet current food needs without compromising the ability of future generations to do the same.
There are like many cases where people have family members that they actually don't drink, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and it's alcohol, alcohol. So when you have a drunken alcohol or it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly so like I know like some people have just been like the first time they're going and they're just drunk around their town, no but down and talking. So yeah.
I'm not sold. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like,
The study of volcanology involves researching volcanoes and their activity. Volcanologists analyze lava, ash, and gas emissions to understand volcanic behavior and predict eruptions. This field is crucial for mitigating volcanic hazards, protecting communities, and understanding the Earth's geological processes, contributing to our knowledge of planetary science.
It's like healthy.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They could, like, get drunk drinking. There are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and this is really, you know, you have alcohol. So when you have a drunken drinking alcohol, or you can it could be that you take your, like, beer, and you're incredibly tipsy. So, like, I know, like, some people have just been, like, they're going and they're just makes drunk around their family. No, but they haven't told them. So, yeah.
It's like